Welcome back to Jacubication. This video is about style. Style conventions are guidelines for specific language that recommend a way for your code to appear. These are recommendations, but the most important thing when it comes to style is consistency. If you're adding to code that is already existing, stay with the style that it has rather than imposing new style. People get nearly religious about style preferences. Again, consistency over all else. Single line conditionals, curly braces. Curly brace languages don't require you to put a set of curly braces around conditionals or loops that are only a single line. It's best to do it anyways. It can help prevent errors that come from adding stuff later to a conditional and forgetting to add the curly braces. Curly brace placement. Curly brace languages have various functionalities that require curly braces. Functions, conditionals, loops, structs, classes. My preference is putting curly braces on their own line like below. If you see below, the for loop has curly braces on its own line. Tabs or spaces. My preference to indent code is tabs. Python recommends 4 spaces. Column 80. Code that stretches past column 80 should be broken into multiple lines. Operators and line breaks. If an operation is broken over multiple lines, say addition, you should break the line before the operator, and you should line up the operators, which this example below does both of them. It breaks the line before the plus, and then it lines up the pluses. Variable naming. 2 main styles. Camel case, where every word after the first word is capitalized, and snake case, where every word after the first word is separated with an underscore. In the next video, I'll cover number bases. Ciao.